Hello friends, my name is Advika Reddy and today we are preparing a healthy high protein salad. This salad recipe is so easy and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. For this recipe we need cooked black chana, sprouted green gram, tofu, some healthy veggies. Here I took cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, tomato and carrots, some onions, some nuts like almond and walnuts for some nice crunch, and a simple lime dressing. So let's prepare this high protein salad. Take a mixing bowl. Add cooked black chana, sprouted green gram, add tofu, and some veggies like carrots, cabbage, lettuce, cucumber and tomatoes. Add onions and nuts. For the dressing, add extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, black salt, roasted cumin powder and a fresh lime juice. And give it a good mix. And your high protein salad is ready.